What if I told you that you could start earning money even while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? But today I'm going to show you the top passive income ideas for beginners, ideas that anyone can start without fancy skills or massive investments. Whether you're a student, working professional, or just looking for a side hustle, this video has something for everyone. Make sure to stay till the end because in part 4, I'll reveal a secret passive income strategy that has helped people earn $1,000 in their very first month. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's get started. We begin with digital products, one of the best ways to earn passive income online. First, let's talk about ebooks. Imagine writing something once and getting paid for it for years. Writing an ebook is a great way to share knowledge, and it doesn't require you to be an expert. Pick a niche like personal finance, fitness, or even cooking recipes. Write a short 30 to 50 page ebook, design it using tools like Canva, and publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP. Once it's out there, you can promote it on social media and start earning royalties. Next, we have online courses, which are booming right now. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on skills you already have. Break your content into structured lessons, record videos using basic equipment, and upload it. Courses on topics like digital marketing, coding, and freelancing perform exceptionally well. Another digital product you can sell is templates. Things like resume templates, social media post designs, or planners. Platforms like Etsy and Creative Market are great for this. Use tools like Canva to create professional templates, upload them, and promote them through Pinterest or Instagram. A seller on Etsy, for instance, made $2,000 a month just selling wedding invitation templates. Digital products are low-cost, high-reward strategies anyone can try. Now let's talk about print on demand, a passive income idea that's perfect for beginners. Print on demand lets you design products like t-shirts, mugs, and notebooks, and companies like Printful or Redbubble print, and ship them only when an order is placed. You don't need to manage inventory or handle shipping. Simply create unique designs, funny quotes, minimalistic art, or motivational phrases work great, and upload them to platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Promote your store through social media and you can start earning with minimal investment. Next up is affiliate marketing, one of the most popular passive income strategies. With affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale. For example, if you love tech gadgets, you can review them on YouTube, include affiliate links in the description, and earn commissions through Amazon Associates. Other great affiliate programs include Share a Sale and ClickBank, where you can promote digital products. To start, pick a niche like tech, beauty, or fitness, join an affiliate program, and start sharing your links through blogs, videos, or Instagram pages. Affiliate marketing is simple to begin and it scales quickly as your audience grows. Now let's move into investing as a passive income source. First, we have dividend stocks, an amazing way to grow your wealth passively. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay a portion of their earnings regularly, almost like receiving monthly rent without owning property. Open a brokerage account on platforms like Robinhood or E*Trade and start investing in companies known for steady dividends like Coca-Cola or Atan DT. Even small investments of $100 can add up over time as dividends grow through reinvestment. Another great income stream is rental income, and no, you don't need to own a big house to get started. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent out a spare room, a guest house, or even a property you manage. By listing your space on Airbnb with attractive photos and good reviews, you can earn $200 to $500 a month or more depending on your location. If you don't have property, consider rental arbitrage, renting a property at a fixed cost and subletting it on Airbnb for profit. With a little creativity, rental income can be a stable source of passive earnings. One of the fastest growing passive income ideas is YouTube automation. With YouTube automation, you can run a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Choose a niche like motivational videos, top 10 facts, or technology reviews. Hire freelancers on Fiverr to create scripts, voiceovers, and video editing. Upload your videos consistently and monetize them through ads. Channels using YouTube automation often earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month once they gain traction. Finally, here's the secret strategy I promised you: drop servicing. Drop servicing is when you sell services like website design, social media management, or video editing to clients, and then outsource the actual work to freelancers. For example, if a client pays you $500 for a website, you can hire a freelancer for $200 and keep the $300 profit. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr help you find both clients and freelancers. Create a professional website showcasing your services, market your business through LinkedIn, and you'll be surprised how profitable drop servicing can be. To wrap things up, we explored some of the best passive income ideas for beginners, including digital products, affiliate marketing, investing in dividend stocks, rental income, YouTube automation, and drop servicing. These ideas are practical, scalable, and perfect for anyone looking to build a steady income stream. Start with one idea, take action, and watch your income grow over time. Which idea are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Wealthwise, and share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next video.